Hey, welcome to my channel. So now it has become very easy to remove the objects in the Photoshop with a new tool called generative fill. So now suppose if you want to remove this board, so we can select by using this lasso tool. So we need to select roughly. So just we need to select this. And here we need to type a prompt. So we need to click on this generative fill and just let's say we'll type like remove object and just we need to press enter. So see, now it has been removed the board and replaced with other objects. And also here you will have three options to select the object which you want to replace. So if you select this, so you can replace with another. So see, it has been beautifully removed and has been maintained the same pattern beside this board. So now see, it has been created a layer. So if you turn off this, so this was the original image. And if you enable this, now see, it has been removed properly and also maintain the background which has been matched to this area here. So we can select the three types of images here. So just you can select any one of this. So still if you are not satisfied and if you want any other images to be placed, so just we can undo everything. Just I will go to the history. And now suppose like if you select this board again by using this lasso tool and just click on this remove objects. And see now randomly we got another images and also we can select this types. So see. So, and also it has become very easy to remove the objects. So we try another image. So now we can try this image. So now I want to remove these objects. So it's simple. Just we need to select this lasso tool and just type remove objects. And see now it has been created other objects, but still see it has been maintained the proper lines on the road. So if you see now see there is no background and it has been maintained properly. And also if you see this area, still it has been maintained the proper background. So if you want to remove this, just you can select this. Again, type remove object. So see now it has been removed properly. So now this is a very nice tool to remove the objects from the images here. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.